So today we're going to use some Axis 5mm arrows from Easton, my preferred arrow. I've already cut these to length and now I just need to put the inserts in. Today I'm using a 75 grain insert. The larger half is 50 grains, the bottom half is 25 grains. It's made so you can break it apart so you can use 50 grain if that's all you want. But today I'm going to use 75 grains because I want a larger FOC. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my sanding wheel. There's a little nipple right here. And with my arrow, I'm going to stand it up straight and I'm going to twist back and forth, sanding it lightly. This is going to take off any burrs or any material that was caused by during the cutting. The next step to do is to clean the inside of the shaft. Some people use alcohol with a cotton swab. If you just take a cotton swab and you dip down inside, you can clean it out pretty well just doing that. So the next thing to do would be to remove the knock. The reason is when I put the insert in with the epoxy and I have the knock already in place, I'm creating what is called a piston action, and the air inside the shaft, since it's hollow, will eventually push the insert out and leave a gap here. After you remove the knock, the next step would be to mix your epoxy. You can do this just simply by using a piece of paper to mix it together. All you have to do is cut the package. Everything's provided from Easton. Pour it out, and you'll see that it's one section's clear and the other section's an amber color. And I'm just going to take my Q-tip and I'm going to mix it around. Take the insert, put the epoxy around it. Do that, I'm going to put it in the shaft, but I'm going to twist it and turn it. Now to get the depth, I'm going to take the tool jig. I put epoxy on the insert. As I'm putting it inside the shaft, I'm twisting it. Now I use the jig provided by Easton, pushing inside the shaft, flush with the shaft. Then I just remove the jig and the insert is inside the shaft. And that's how you put the insert in the 5mm carbon shaft.